guys, welcome to my scrappiness. Hey guys, it's Marissa and we're working on our second layout for the July Mini Kit Monday challenge, and this is part of my kit that I put together. I'm going to put up the video of the kit that I put together up here and down in the description below. And so we are going to be working on this layout. These are the items that we are going to use. We are going to use this Doodlebug skinny stickers, alphabet stickers. So this is what it looks like. We're also going to use this red one to mat one of the elements here. These are the pictures that I'm going to play with, and these are printed off of my Canon selfie. These are some of the embellishments we are going to use. We have this. I'm going to cut apart this one, and then I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to use all of this, but I'm going to put them here anyway. Here is a border, scrap border paper, and we are going to use, I'm looking at using this glasses and maybe this one down here, the red and blue stripes. Then these are the papers that we are going to use. We are going to use Celebrating Freedom collection papers from Bo Bunny. This here is the Freedom Beauty, and this one over here is Freedom Constitution. Then of course we are going to use this White American Crafts cardstock as the base. So let's get going. Let's play with this. I'm going to start by cutting down my pictures. I'm just going to take the strips off here. And I'm gonna cut off about an inch over here. Just wanted to make sure my niece is not cut off. So I'm basically cutting this down to 3 inches. There you go. And I'm going to cut off maybe half an inch off of here. You know what? I'm going to leave it like this. I think, and then we'll play with it later. So there you go. Let me just put this on the side for now, and then we're gonna play with it a bit more. And then off of this, I want to do the wild and free. Stay wild and free. And then I'm going to mat this enjoy the simple things in life. So this measures 2 1/4 by 2.5, and I want an 1/8 of an inch around. So 4 1/2. So that's 4 3/4. 4 3/4 by 2.5. Okie dokes. Let's see if it'll work. Yay, it does work. Okay, so let me just put a wet glue here so I can move it around, because sometimes the 8-inch borders are a little tricky for me, so it's easier for me to sometimes, especially for smaller embellishments, use the wet glue so I can move it a bit until I'm happy that it is centered. And notice when I put glue on items with pointed corners, I normally drag the glue all the way to the end. That way there's, you know, to avoid the lifting later of the corners. There you go. There's some feathering here, so I'm just going to cut that out. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is cut off 4 inches off of this, and then maybe 2 inches off of this. So let me cut off the branding strips of these 2 papers here. I want to get the word summertime here, so let me see if I can get it off of from here. And yes, I can. Cutting off the branding strip off of here again. And then I'm gonna cut off maybe only 2 inches off of this paper. And then we're gonna cut off 9 inches. Actually, let's cut off 8 inches off of this instead. There you go. And then in this one, I am going to cut off just this, the sunglasses and also the red stripes. And we're gonna cut this by 7 inches. Okay, let's just I'm just going to lay this down and see how it'll work. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna cut off at least 1/2 inch off of this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna cut off at least 1/2 inch off of this papers here, pictures here. Okay, let's commit this for now. I'm gonna go ahead and commit this, and then I'm also going to commit that up there. And then we're going to commit Wild and Free up here. Okay, we're putting this down, and I'm going to try and center it as best I can up here. I'm just eyeballing this, guys, and trying to see if I can center it. There you go. And then we're going to use this as the center picture. I'll go ahead and put this down instead of this long one. I'll just use the shorter one here. I'll butt it up there. I want to ink this. I'm gonna go ahead and ink this just so it'll have a definition on the edges. So instead of using this color here, I'm just going to use this, and I'll just put braids over here. Okay guys, here's our second layout for the Mini Kit Monday challenge for the month of July. Second layout, guys. So I hope you enjoyed my process as I worked through this layout. Give me a thumbs up if you like this layout. It's very simple. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please place them down in the comment section below. And that's it for now, guys. I will catch you guys later, and look out for layout number 3. Thank you. Bye.